Hello, I'm Sharon LaShore-Roy with the Florida Blue social media team. We are here at the 2017 Community Health Symposium and Sapphire Awards, and we're back with our Sapphire Conversations with Susan Towler, Executive Director of Corporate Social Responsibility and the Florida Blue Foundation. Welcome, Susan.
Thank you, Sharon, for having me.
I'm so glad that you're here. Today's theme, or this year's theme, is creating a culture of health. Tell me a little bit about that theme and why it's important to you and the Florida Blue Foundation.
Thank you, Sharon. Robert Wood Johnson Foundation, which is one of the largest health foundations in the country, has started a conversation about building a culture of health in all of our communities. And it really resonates with us. That's what we've been doing at the foundation and with Florida Blue now for 16 years, is working on how we bridge and build communities through not just focusing on healthcare, but also the social determinants and everything that goes into people's lives.
Now, we talk about social determinants. I think one of the things, like say with Carol Naughton today, was about purpose-built communities. How, through those efforts and things that they're doing, how does the foundation expound on those efforts to help Florida be healthy?
You have to be really intentional about building community and what happens to individuals and families. Again, not just when they go to the doctor, but what kind of school do they have? What kind of housing do they have? Is their neighborhood safe? So we at the foundation don't just fund healthcare. We fund housing, we fund arts and culture, we fund in education, community development, because we understand the importance, kind of the holistic nature of communities.
It's almost like not only when you talk about fun and the things that go here, it's really building a healthy Florida.
It is, and part of the Community Health Symposium goal is to bring folks from all over the state, from all different walks of life and organizations, and having them meet and learn about the same things. So it's about building community beyond just your neighborhood.
So on a personal level, what do you do, or what would you like to do to help create a healthy Florida, and how would you do it?
Well, it starts with having a conversation, and it starts recognizing your blind spots, as one of our speakers said today. That really resonates with me, to kind of get out of our comfort zone and talk to other people who you don't normally interact with, and really listening to what their needs and their desires are.
Well, thank you, Susan, so much for joining us at this year's Sapphire Conversation.
Thank you, Sharon.
It was a pleasure as always, and we look forward to speaking to you again.
Thank you.